This video will let us know how to direct test washing machine motor. Before we begin, always remember to keep safe if we want to do things like this. Most of the washing machine motor have 3 wires. We need to identify which is the common, forward, and reverse. Once identified, prepare the capacitor and plug with cord you will be using to direct. Test the motor. By the way, this video is for a non-inverter or ordinary motor with 220 volts, alternating current input. Now let's proceed, connecting the motor wires to the capacitor wires and plug. The common wire from the motor should be connected from plugs. 1 wire, then the red and blue wire, from the motor to the red and blue of the capacitor. The next thing to do is to hold the other wire from the plug with either plier or long nose. Connect now the plug to 220 volts. AC supply, then the wire from the plug not connected to any wires should be alternately tap to red and blue wire. When you tap to red, the rotation is forward or clockwise, and when you tap to blue should be counterclockwise or reverse. This is how it is done to check if motor is still good. Always remember to keep safe from electrical shocks that may harm you or damage the motor. Use electrical tape when you are connecting wires to avoid problem. Please continue watching the video until the end. Kindly support Jeffrek Tech. Like and share this post. Thanks for watching.